In today's health news, a new device may reduce the number of potential surgeries needed to remove breast cancer, cancer in the breast. Local 10 medical specialist Christy Kruger has details in her HealthCast.
Well, surgeons want clean margins when they remove breast cancer. That means not just getting the visible tumor, but any of that surrounding cancerous tissue as well. A tool called the margin probe is now helping eliminate all the guesswork and reducing the chances that surgeons will miss some of those cancerous cells, leading to the need for a follow-up surgery. Dr. Marla Dudak says that reducing the number of surgeries not only lowers the cost, it actually reduces the patient's physical and emotional suffering as well.
If you look nationally, the average rate of going back to the operating room to remove more tissue for positive margins is somewhere around 25%. So that means a surgeon has to walk into a room after one surgery and tell 1 in every 4 women, oh, we have another surgery because I didn't get it all out. So anything that makes that conversation less often is ideal.
The margin probe is currently being tested for use in prostate cancer too. Also in today's HealthCast, for all the benefits of breast milk, one potential drawback to tell you about. Secondhand sugar is being passed from mother to her baby. A new study by the University of Southern California indicates that a sugar called fructose is being passed from mother to infant through breast milk. And that exposes infants to higher amounts of sugar during growth and development, and that leads to problems with learning and could even lead to a lifelong risk of obesity. And just a single gram of this sugar can increase the risk of those issues. So moms-to-be and new moms are urged to stay away from sources of refined sugar. With your HealthCast today, I'm Christy Kruger.